Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ngayon po ay second day na po siya ng race. At ngayon po ay November 29. So ayan na yung bus natin. Ang time po ng departure niya ay simula ng 10 AM. Kailangan kasi na 11 o'clock ay makarating na siya sa Lusail International Circuit para makapag-register tayo. So, let's go! Okay na guys, pasok na tayo sa X-ray. So, entrance na tayo para sa circuit na. So, ayun yung main gate na yun. Hindi na tutumpukin natin. Yan. Kasi nandun din yung mga coaster natin nag-aantay. At ida-drop nila tayo sa ating Marshall Station. Tapos doon naman counting briefing lang at ida-drop na naman tayo sa ating kanya-kanyang post. Yan po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ngayon po sa second day ng race ay nagbago na naman ang arrangement natin. Dito na naman tayo diretso sa grandstand. Ayan ho. Lahat ng mga marshals ay nandito ho nagumpukan. Ayan. Pero sa nito, sa pinakaharap nito ay yan yung pit lane. Andun lahat ng mga sasakyan ng pangkarera. At dito po ang starting point natin ay grid. At saka yung building na yun po yung paddocks. Mamahalin po yung mga dyan. Lahat po dyan ay free. Pero medyo may kamahalan po ang ticket dyan kasi mga VIP karamihan po sila. Yung mga free tickets po namin ang po sa barangay na yun. Wait. Ibigay ko na pala. Yan po yung vlogger natin, guys.
I want more. I love you. I love you people.
Your result transfer was cancelled.
Yeah, I remember.
What do you want to do?
I guess we have to give out some gifts today.
Wow.
Yeah.
Give yourself.
I should give it out.
Give yourself.
2 days free ticket. Who needs it? I want this.
Wow.
2 days free ticket.
I need.
You need 2 days free ticket. Yes.
Hello, Paul. Hello.
Thank you. Oh my God, sorry. Okay. Did I give you?
Sini. Helpot na lang. Sini, helpot din.
Water, water. Lady first, lady.
Yeah, lady first.
Can I throw it? Catch it for her.
Go out on the other side of the runway without our authorization. You know that today we are races. So yesterday was important. We are the F1 colleague, but today we are races. But seriously, and remember always stay behind the line. If you don't get race control in line, you stay behind. When I say behind, it's really behind. Safe for you. Second, yesterday we had a couple of mistakes, or not mistakes, but maybe wrong understanding. Yellow only if the car is out of control, crash, or stop. If the car run off, if the car travels an error, if the run off areas that doesn't stop, white. We must use yellow only in a specific situation and as less as possible. You know that when we use yellow, there is consequences behind, and we want to avoid this issue. Okay, so please pay attention to that. Don't misunderstood the meaning of the yellow and the white. Okay, the car doesn't stop, white is enough. Then you are the spotter guide. We provide you with a spotter guide. You know the livery of the car.
Flag is slow moving, it's not very acting that you. So please be very dynamic when you wave your flag. More, yeah, more than attention. Okay? Just for the track marshal, today we have some exit. Remember, yesterday I asked you to stay on standby for the two first lap. So this is the plan for the two races, okay? For the races. I would like the chief just one track to be on standby at the opening. Okay, we're gonna do that. When you report that you are not able to see the car, you did a good cooperation with the marshal post. For example, track marshal, one was announcing the car of track was tracking it with the color and without the color. You announce the car out, and the next post say Ferrari yellow. Okay, so do not hesitate to add two together to identify your car. I know some of you are far away, it's not easy, but do not hesitate, listen your radio, listen what is happening on track, and do not hesitate if you need more detail. Okay? Thank you very much.
Sa mga oras na ito, kami po ay i-deploy na sa kanya-kanya namin mga pwesta. So, yan na. Nagsibabaan na ang lahat. Yan. Bababaan na yan. Punta sa...
Napadeliver na daw siya po ang
We always seem to be beating at the same.
Hindi, mga migrant. Seminar.
Uy, kuya, ikaw pala yan.
Dami namin oh. Dami naming Martian. Kumamiya-miya yan. Ayun pa oh.
Pero anong oras?
Pag ano naman, pag pupunta ka na sa pwesto mo ngayon, wala kang matataguan doon kaya ang style ko medyo pahuli kaunti kasi walang matataguan doon sa sa pwesto namin. Yeah. Ito. Relax lang. Ang dami ding ang dami pa rin nagre-relax. Babaan na yung iba. Dami talaga namin. Kasi mga mga 5 kilometers tapos sa bawat turn may mga truck marshal, may flag post, may flag marshal din. Yeah, yan. Yan ang medyo maganda yung mga pit lane. Yung pit lane, medyo, yung pwesto nila nandyan lang sa baba. Yung location na yun. Kaya, sila yung pinakaunang matapos. At sa kanila din ang simula. Kasi, sila talaga ang magbubukas eh. Ayan siya guys, ang pangmalakasan.